Hi everyone. Today we will discuss some of the words in the movie Nadiya Ke Paar. I'm sure you all have seen this movie because it is a movie which is loved by everyone and hated by no one. So let us start our lesson today. So, of the words in Nadiya Ke Paar. Nadiya Ke Paar में अवधि के शब्द. So I will discuss some scenes where a few words in the Awadhi language have been used. Uh, so this is from the first scene where Chandan comes and meets Gunja. Gunja says, "Hanadi na chine ho to chin lo." So the word chin is to recognize, right? So she says, if you haven't seen or recognized a fool, then see or recognize. Hanadi na chine ho to chin lo. If you haven't recognized a fool, then recognize. Next, when Chandan's kaka or uncle, he asks for a little chili. He says, "Beta Chandan, hadiya se jara ek marcha la do." So hadiya is a word which means a pot made of uh, uh, soil or mud. So it is a earthen pot, which is also known as matka, right? The next word is Tikuli and Sat. So it is this scene has been shown in the mid of the movie where uh, Chandan's uncle Kaka he talks to a Thakurain. He says, "आज तो बहुत लहरदार टिकुली साट के निकली हो." So today you have wore or stuck a very nice bindi. So lahardar tikuli is bindi. साट means to stick, चिपकाना. आज तो बहुत लहरदार टिकुली साट के निकली हो. So today you have stuck a very nice bindi on your forehead. Uh, Next one is where the village Badji, the Ayurveda doctor, he comes and meets the uncle of Chandan, and this is the place where uh, the marriage is fixed between Gunja's sister and Chandan's elder brother. So one of the villagers, the one who has a gamcha on his shoulder, he says, "To ho jaye baricha." So baricha is a small event which happens before marriage. You can call it as engagement. Next one is when Chandan's brother and Gunja's sister get married, and Chandan's brother says, मेहनत नहीं करेंगे तो अपनी मेहरिया को खिलाएंगे पिलाएंगे कहाँ से. So if I do not work hard, then what will I feed my wife? So mehriya is wife. This is one of the very tragic scenes where the wife of Chandan's brother dies, and they all are very sad. And then this old lady, Kaki, comes to their home and says, "तनी घर में दिया बत्ती करा, एकर मन बहलावा, चला बेटवा दिया बत्ती करा." So, which means diya batti kara means to light the lamp, or diya means a lamp. Batti is also a kind of lamp or mombatti. Uh, so these are the few words which I found out in the movie. Actually, this movie is in Hindi language, and a lot of words that have been used in this movie are from Awadh region, because this movie was shot in Jaunpur, and it is based on a novel named as Kohbar Ki Shart. So I will tell you more about it in the next slide. So as I have already told you that this movie is based on this novel Kohbar Ki Shart, right? In the movie, if you have seen, you will find that they have ended the movie with a very happy ending. So what happens in the end is Gunja is finally married to Chandan, which was not supposed to happen because she was earlier getting married to Chandan's elder brother. But somehow Chandan's elder brother finds it out, and he tells that now these both people should get married. So this is what happens. So it is a final happy ending. But what happens in the novel is different. I'll tell you what happens in the novel. Here, Gunja actually gets married to Chandan's elder brother, and Chandan is finally left, heartbroken, and he is seeing the woman which he wanted to marry with in front of him, and getting married to his elder brother. Now he kind of lives with this lady Gunja, and this is one of the saddest thing. So what happens in the movie is that, as I just told you, that Chandan gets finally married to Gunja, but in the novel what happens is Gunja gets married to Chandan's elder brother, and his elder brother finally dies because of a disease which gets spread in the whole village. After this, Gunja goes back to his home, to her home, and then finally comes back and proposes Chandan to marry her. But this time Chandan denies. Chandan denies because of the uh, local pressure of the villagers. And finally, what happens is Gunja also dies. So basically, Chandan used to love her. She got married to his brother, and then finally she also dies. So in the novel, he is shown as performing her last rites when she dies. So that's all for today. The motive of this video was to teach you a few words in of the language which have been used in this movie, but I also ended up telling you how the novel differs from the movie, because I love this movie, and I'm sure you all have seen this movie. I know this this movie keeps coming on Z Cinema or Z Classic, because it is really a classic movie, and it had earned a lot of money in those days, crores of money, uh, as compared to today. So that's all for today. I have changed the website's URL. It's now known as theawadhproject.com. You can learn more about Awadhi words and language from this website. Thank you so much.